ChuChu Daily Surprise Eggs! It's raining. I guess we can't play outside today. Aw, what shall we do? Well, I have an idea. Let's call Mr. Harlo. Maybe he can give us something to play with. Let's say the magic word together. ChuChu! There he is! Hey, Mr. Harlo!
Hey, my friends! I'm happy to see you.
It's raining today, Mr. Harlo. So we can't go outside and play. Can you give us a magical surprise and make it fun inside?
Sure, I would love to. Come on, let's all say the magic words.
ChuChu! Surprise! Oh, wow! That's a ball pit! But it's empty.
What should we do?
Let's say the magic words again! ChuChu! Surprise! The balls! And in so many colors!
Yeah, that's right! Come on, kids! Jump on in and have fun!
Yay! Yay!
That was a lot of fun! Look who's here! My friends, meet Abby. He is here to join our group.
Wow!
Hi guys! I'm happy to meet you all. Thanks for letting me join your group and play with you.
Let's go!
So, my friends, do you want to learn some fun stuff while we play?
Sure, Mr. Harlo.
Remember when we learned the colors from our surprise eggs?
Yeah! We remember, Mr. Harlo.
What do you say we review the colors again using these balls?
Sure! Red.
Wow! Red! It's bright!
Yellow.
Amazing! Yellow is lovely! Blue! Blue! Woo! Reminds me of a clear sky.
Green.
Green! Super! feel happy inside. Orange! Orange! Yeah, makes me want to eat one. Yummy!
Yay!
Now that we know the colors, why don't we all try to learn some shapes? I'm going to magically hide some boxes in the ball pit. You kids need to find the hidden boxes and learn about their shapes.
Yeah! That's gonna be a lot of fun.
Time to cast the magic spell. ChuChu. Now, let's start the search.
Found a box too. Me too. Hey, I found a box here. I found one.
I haven't found one yet.
Don't worry. I think Abby can help you find the missing box. If we shrink him down, let's cast the magic spell. ChuChu.
Yay!
You go! Thanks, Abby!
Let's start with Cha-Cha!
Yes! Thank you, Mr. Harlo!
My friends, do you know the shape of the box in Cha-Cha's hand?
No?
That's okay. I'm going to help you learn, my friends. That is a square.
A square?
Yes, it is a square.
Let's say it together.
Square!
Can I go next, please?
Okay, Chica. Let's give Chica a turn.
Yay! Thank you, Mr. Harlo.
My friends, do you know the shape of the box in Chica's hand?
No.
That's a rectangle.
A rectangle?
A rectangle.
Let's all say it together.
Rectangle!
Who's next? ChuChu!
Wowie! Thank you, Mr. Harlo.
My friends, Do you know the shape of the box in ChuChu's hand?
No.
That's a triangle.
Yes, it's a triangle. Okay, it's a triangle.
Shall we say it together?
Triangle!
Let's go with ChuChu next.
Wow! Thank you, Mr. Harlo.
My friends, do you know the shape of the box in ChuChu's hand?
No.
That's an oval.
That shape is an oval.
Yay! It's an oval.
Shall we say it together?
Oval!
Let's go with Fifi next.
Thank you, Mr. Harlo.
My friends, do you know the shape of the box in Fifi's hand?
Nope, we don't.
That's a circle.
A circle.
This ball is a circle too.
Shall we say it together?
Circle!
Let's go with Ori next.
Thank you, Mr. Harlo.
My friends, do you know the shape of the box in Ori's hand?
Wow! It looks different.
That's a hexagon.
A hexagon? Okay, a hexagon.
Shall we say it together?
Hexagon!
Yay!
That was a lot of fun! I had such an awesome time teaching and learning with my friends. Okay, it's time for me to go home. See you all soon.
Bye-bye!